If you want to get paid right now with no skills or prior experience, keep watching this video because I'll show you 4 distinct websites. Each and every one of them are available all over the world. There's no need to spend any money. To get started, be patient and don't skip ahead, so don't miss any of them. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Okay, so before I show you these websites, I like to say something. I should point out that they aren't going to make you rich in any shape or form, but they are a terrific method to make some money without exerting too much effort quickly. But if you're looking for videos on longer-term approaches, stay tuned because I'll be publishing videos with ideas that will supply you with revenue for a much longer length of time soon. Now that's out of the way, the first of the 4 sites I'll be showing you today is Treasuretrooper.com. It's one of the oldest, most durable, and possibly one of the best websites out there to make money online. The first thing you'll notice is that it looks a little outdated, which isn't surprising given that this site has been around since 2005, as you can see at the bottom of the page. As a result, it's one of the oldest money-making websites around, and as a result, it's 100% legit. It would have vanished a long time ago if it hadn't been discovered. Members of this website have earned nearly $8 million, as you can see on the left. If you want, you can look at the payment proof by clicking the link below. For those curious, this site is now available in most nations throughout the world, just as I promised. So, it's mostly worldwide as far as what you can do on here to get paid. It features a large range of options, which may be divided into 3 categories: offers, surveys, and games. Filling out forms, testing things, making money, performing searches, and completing tasks are all examples of offers, so you can pick and choose from some of these to discover which ones you like the best. Even if you don't like them, this site pays well for completing them. Just like it says, take 8 daily cash surveys available every day worth up to $1 each. Visit our unique survey panel for dozens of extra paid survey opportunities. So you get paid $1 for every survey, which isn't a lot of money, but it's a lot more than other websites, which is an essential factor for us. Games are also a great option. Believe it or not, they can be quite enjoyable. If you don't have a lot of time, you can refer some people here to earn passive income. But I would recommend alternative sites because make money online sites don't pay very well. And I don't think they're worth the hassle. You must first establish an account to get started, which you can do by entering your email address and first name right here. I won't go over it because I'm confident you'll be able to handle it independently. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. The second website we'll look at today is SurveyMonkey.com. As you should have guessed by now, this one pays you to complete various types of surveys, which is precisely what their homepage says. It also demonstrates that it's available all around the world, which is really essential to us. More information is accessible below, and I'll start to get into it in a minute. Down here, as you can see, they send paid surveys in euros that can be converted into PayPal or Amazon vouchers. They care about your opinion, and you are paid for expressing it. You can see on the right that in addition to surveys, you can get paid over the internet. Find out how to make money on the internet or how to save while maintaining the same lifestyle. Lots of other curious news, smart solutions, and funny videos await you. So they genuinely provide some information on how to make money online and other exciting things. You can see how you can get paid, and as is typical the case, PayPal is a choice for this website, along with a few others. If you aren't a huge lover of PayPal, click on Discover all the awards just below to see all of the many methods you can get rewarded. If you continue scrolling down here, you can see some of the website's features. First and foremost, this website is accessible in 120 countries worldwide. So, as I promised, we're talking about an almost global site that works regardless of where you're coming from. You can sign up from 5 continents. The site is in 4 languages. The user profile and surveys are in the language of the country you live in. See the list here. If that weren't enough, this site would also show you surveys in the language of your home nation. So, if you're not from the United States and English isn't your first language, or you don't know it very well, it doesn't matter, which is a very remarkable feature that I don't think many websites have. This is highly popular as there are 2 million registered users. To the right, we can see that over €1 million have been redeemed so far, with payments made through PayPal, Amazon, Zalando, Decathlon, Skrill, and Payza. As a result, this site is not only accessible from everywhere in the world, but it also offers a variety of payment alternatives. To begin earning money here, simply return to this page and click the Sign Up for Survey button. From there, fill in your information and you're set to go. Pryzerbell.com is the third website on my list today. You can begin earning money online right now by completing numerous surveys. PayPal, Amazon Visa, Steam, and eBay enable you to compensate in cash or gift cards. They offer hundreds of brand name gift cards, direct bank payments, PayPal, and Visa gift cards, as you can see below. This is fantastic since you will be given the option of being paid in cash. That's okay, but if you want, you may opt for a gift card with Google Play, Amazon, and Roblox gift cards being the most popular options. Below is further information on how this works. They're seeking people who wish to participate in surveys and share their ideas in exchange for points, which can subsequently be exchanged for cash. Now, a pretty cool and unusual feature of this site is that some people have gotten really good stuff for entirely free. Obviously, you won't obtain these easily, but there's a chance, and that, in my opinion, is a fantastic addition to this site. On their webpage, the last thing we see is that they are featured on Trustpilot, Survey Police, SiteJabber, and Insider. To get started, simply input your information here and click Start Making Money. Or if you prefer, you may sign up with only one click via Facebook. I'll leave that up to you. The final site on my list is one that I have already mentioned before in one of my earlier videos. But for those of you who may have missed it, the website in issue is called surveytime.io. This is another wonderful site for earning money by taking surveys. And as you can see from the reviews on Trustpilot, it has some of the best. Overall, I would recommend combining this site with the other three that I showed you in order to maximize your earnings. Anyway, since I've already discussed this site, I won't go into great detail about it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.